Hey guys, it's me. I'm making an updated bike check because everybody said mine was too long. I agree. We're just gonna start it off and make it short this time. Alienation NYC bars. Really like these bars. I'm gonna paint them black though, just because of the gum grips. I got Colt Vans grips, pretty much brand new, and then I have Odyssey Parens on the end. Then I had stock Mission stem. I haven't really needed to get another stem, so. And then I have Kink Volt forks, otherwise known as the reverse directors. Cinema 333 rim, laced to a Cinema hub, wrapped with a Duo SVS tire. And then moving on to the middle on my bike, 2012 Kink Gap frame. Salt Plus sprocket, profile cranks, Shadow Ravager PC pedals. I actually really like these pedals, they're really grippy, but I'm probably going to get Twisted PCs next. Animal seat, gotta get a new seat because it's really dirty. Colt 510 chain in gold. Moving on to the back, I have a Mission Response hub laced to an Alienation PBR. This is the wheel that came with my bike originally. Probably get a aftermarket wheel in the future, and then that's wrapped with a Chase Hawk 2.2 tire. And then on the other side, I just have the Odyssey MPEGs. And yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks guys.